Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our BroadSword Fight Training Regiment. It's a gliding attack. But before we go there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So in the broadsword, we're going to deal with two specific attacks here. We'll start this first one, sometimes complex or compound attacks. It's understanding moving and attacking different lines. So this first one is a very simple. It's an arcing attack and then a change in a line. So Keith, what we're not doing here is I'm not slamming this to come out of the way to come in and attack. Because if I slam his blade, he's going to come around and he's going to come into a countering thing. So here, as I'm bringing this in, it's a gentle arc, right? So either way, I'm coming in and it's a gentle arc, so I have some leverage here. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to step off to the side. So I'm going to come in and then cut to the inside of his arms. So again, I take this, I work it in, I have pressure here, and I'm moving away from that blade. Let's look at it the other side. So again, from here, I'm going to arc in and step across. All right, so anything you make contact with, whether it's the forearm, beginning of the forearm, the middle of the forearm, or the bicep. So again, coming in, just moving it out of the way and stepping through. One more time. Coming in and stepping through. And you'll notice I always have my support hand here for backing up to develop a little bit more leverage against the first of the complex attacks.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.